Fridge guy, fridge guy. Alright, y'all. Yeah, turned it on. Came on. Sheesh. I got this little bleach cleaner right here. I was just gonna spray a little up in here. Just let it sit for a couple hours, and I put a water bottle in here. I mean, hopefully it freezes, and I mean overnight or whatever. I'm gonna check it in the morning and see if it freezes or not. And then meanwhile, while it's getting cold, or it freezes before that perfectly. But it sounds like the compressor is on. I feel like I can hear it. So yeah. And it looks a little better. It's light and stuff on. So I get it cleaned. So meanwhile, while this thing's cooling down, and I got it in my backyard, I'm gonna give it a healthy coating of this cleaner with bleach. Got it from Walmart. It's like $1.80. Vicious. Yuckums. Yuckums. Ooh, shit. The wind kind of blew a little bleach back in my face. Alright. We're coming along now, yep. A bit in there. A bit in there. Ding, ding. Put a little bit up in this piece. Alright, open this bad boy. Spray a little bit in here. There. All up around there. Alright. Spray even a little bit on the outside. Gotta watch this wind. Oh, fucking son of a gun. Excuse my French. Alright, a little bit of yakara yakums on this side. Yakara yakums on that side. Yakara yakums down here. Alright. Jesus, I gotta clean up out here. I'm sorry, y'all. Alright, so let the bleach do its magic. Alright, be back in a few hours, or either an hour or so, or tomorrow morning. I see y'all YouTube. Fridge guy, fridge guy, fridge guy.